LG is going to demo a bendable OLED gaming TV at CES 2021. CES 2021, I don't even know what that is, how it's going to happen. Obviously, it's going to be virtual, but companies still got to launch products, and they plan for this event way in advance for CES, which normally takes place in Vegas, but obviously it's a different type of year this year. Now, you're thinking bendable. What do they mean bendable? I've seen curved displays. LG's been working with curved displays for a long period of time. So have other manufacturers, Samsung and others. Bendable meaning this one can be both flat and curved. Well, depending on what you're doing, you can have the display adjust in real time. That's the beauty of OLED and the flexibility of OLED. So if you want to watch a feature film, or you want to watch the next season of Mandalorian when it comes out, then you're going to want a flat screen for that. But what about when you want the immersive gaming experience, when all of a sudden you boot up the Forza or whatever it might be on the racing? Project Cars, I was playing that back in the day. Do people still play Project Cars? I don't know. But if I ever build another racing simulator, then I think I got to boot up the Project Cars again. I was talking to Lincoln about that on the way over here. He's very upset that we don't have that racing simulator anymore.
Yeah.
In fact. So anyway, this one can do both. What else does it say here? A 48-inch, 4K, bendable, cinematic sound OLED. Switch between flat and curved. Enjoy videos and gaming. It morphs into a curved screen with up to a 1,000 millimeter radius for immersive gaming. That's pretty cool. Also, for some reason, variable refresh rates from 40 to 120 hertz. And then they're also preparing up to a gaming monitor up to 360 hertz. So they got some products lined up for CES, including the adaptable, bendable display.